I need some advice. What to do with all the bare spots. The ground is really hard. I tried to use a hand tiller and it would not dig up the dirt at all. Over here I just raked all the crud out. I was thinking of bringing out my tiller, the gasoline engine tiller, and tilling up all this. There's a lot of rock here. And maybe till it just down to here. That's 1, 2, 21, about 22 paces, 66 feet maybe. 1, 2, 3. 45, 50 feet of a very narrow area. I was thinking about tilling it, fertilizing it, putting grass seed down. What do you think?